Hello my beautiful crafters, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel, and today I've got a blooming treat for you. We are making this pretty daisy earring pattern that's sure to add a touch of nature inspired charm to your accessories collection. But before we jump into the creative process, we'll look into the things needed. We need some yarn. I'm going to be using cotton yarn in these three colors, and the 1mm steel crochet hook. We need 2 hook ear wires and 2 jump rings. The diameter is 6mm on each, and we need the yarn needle, the pair of scissors and the flat nose pliers. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links in the description box below. Clicking on those links not only makes your shopping experience easier, but also supports the channel, allowing us to bring you more exciting tutorials. So go ahead, check them out, and let's start crafting together. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this, and insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have our magic ring ready, and we are going to work 8 single crochets inside the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 3 single crochets over here. Like that we will continue. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we need to pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like so. Now we will leave a tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And then we will see how to join the round. I'm going to use the yarn needle for that, and we will insert the yarn needle on top of the very first single crochet of the round. We will go into the stitch on top of the first single crochet over here, and then thread the yarn needle with the loose end and pull it from the other side. And then I'm going to go into the very last single crochet of the round here and run the needle through some more stitches to hide the tail like this, and then thread the yarn needle. After that, pull it from the other side. We are going to hide the other tail as well, just like the same. And after that I'm going to use the pair of scissors to cut the tails off. Now we are ready with the center part of the flower. We have 8 stitches around. Now we are going to join the yellow color. So start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot. And then I'm going to insert the crochet hook into one of the stitches here, like so. And then we will pull the loop like this through the stitch. And then we will make the loop smaller like this and start working the second round. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then we are going to work 2 single crochets into each one of the stitches around. So we are going to work over this tail so that you don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. We will go into the first stitch and work 2 single crochets into the first stitch. So insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. We are going to work another single crochet into the very same stitch like this, and then continue working 2 single crochets into each one of the stitches. 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the third stitch. 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the fourth stitch here. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the fifth stitch. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the sixth stitch. 1 and 2. 2 single crochets into the seventh stitch here. 1 and 2. Then we have the last stitch here. There we need to work 2 single crochets as well. One and 2. Now we have completed 16 single crochets all around, and then we will join the round. So leave a tail for sewing and cut the yarn off, and we will use the yarn needle to join the round. So insert the yarn needle into the very first single crochet of the round here, and we will thread the yarn needle. Pull it like this, and then we are going to go into the very last single crochet of the round here as well, and I'm going to go into few stitches to hide the tail of the yellow thread. So we will thread the yarn needle again and pull it from the other side like so. After that, we will use the pair of scissors to cut the tail off. Now we have completed the second round of the flower. And in the third round we are complete the petals. So start with a slip knot, wrap the yarn around your finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger, grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have the slip knot, and then insert the hook into one of the stitches on the second round here, and we will pull the loop through the stitch like this, and then we are going to work over this tail on this round as well. First chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we are going to work 2 triple treble stitches into the same stitch. So yarn over 4 times like this, and we will keep the finger and insert the hook into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 6 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a triple treble stitch. We will make the second one as well. Yarn over 4 times, insert the hook into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 6 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 5 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Here we have completed 2 triple treble stitches, then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we are going to go into the very same stitch and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first petal of the flower. Then go into the very next stitch and work another slip stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And we will start with the second petal, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then work 2 triple treble stitches into the very same stitch. So yarn over 4 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over and pull through 2. Again another triple treble stitch into the very same stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. Now we have completed the second petal as well. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with the third petal, work a slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 Then work 2 triple treble stitches into the same stitch. One, and 2, and then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to complete the petal. Now we have completed 3 petals over here. Just like that, we are going to continue making the other petals as well. So complete the round and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm at the very end of the round. Here we have the very last stitch of the round. There we need to work a slip stitch and then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then work 2 triple treble stitches into the same stitch. One, and 2, then again chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we are going to work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to join the round, and then we will leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, I'm going to use my yarn needle to hide the tail. Now I have completed both the flowers here, and then we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. First, open the jump ring using your pliers, and I'm going to insert one of the petals like this, and then we will put the hook ear wire also in and secure that with the pliers. Just like that, we will complete the other earring as well. And there you have it, beautiful daisy earrings that are as unique as you are. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming creative sessions. Until next time, happy crafting!